Hello everyone, I'm Lenore Gonzalez. Welcome to Living Good Travel. This is the channel where I share travel news, travel tips, travel ideas, and inspiration. My hope is to inspire you to travel more and explore new places. So I've been asked a lot, when is it okay to travel again? And my answer has always been, travel when you feel comfortable to travel. So today I'd like to show you what companies are doing to welcome you back, make you feel safe and comfortable when you decide to travel again.
We saw the world close when COVID-19 hit. Now that some cities have opened, we still see some restrictions in place. To make travel safe again, there are health and safety protocols put in place by hotels, resorts, airlines, various city destinations, and the cruise line industry. Social distancing is everywhere. Expect to see social distancing floor markers to remind you to stay at least 6 feet apart from another person. Masks are required in indoor public areas, in the airport, gate area, and inside a plane. Hand sanitizers are everywhere, and you'll see a lot of cleaning throughout the day. You will see plastic shields at the airport when you go check in at the gates, as well as at hotel reception desk. Expect to get your temperature checked at the airport, hotel, or when you embark on a cruise. So when you're ready to travel, this is what you can expect to see. Airline lounges are now open. Show your card or scan your boarding pass to enter the lounge. Foot-operated devices are being installed on restroom doors in some clubs. Signs and floor decals are installed to encourage spacing at the check-in desk. There will also be flexible seating in the lounge to allow social distancing. Enjoy packaged snacks, a full-service bar with complimentary and premium beverages, or order from the menu on your mobile device. There will be enhanced cleaning and sanitizing of all areas of the club, and hand sanitizer stations have been installed in the lounges as well as various areas in the airports. At the gate, you are encouraged to social distance while boarding the plane. You can now scan your mobile or printed boarding pass to limit physical interactions. Commercial-grade shields are installed in the service area at the boarding gate. The gate and sitting area are cleaned and sanitized more frequently. Airlines adjusted their food and beverage service to limit interactions. Sitting inside the plane takes into account spacing to create social distance. A face covering is required in the airport and while flying, except for children under 2 years old. Inside the plane, high-touch in public areas like tray tables, seat belt buckles, armrest, window shades, seat back screens, doors, and overhead bin handles are cleaned before every flight. Planes receive electrostatic spraying once a week with an EPA-approved disinfectant. Hotels and resorts now welcome you when you're ready to travel. Here's what Hilton is doing to welcome you back. Hilton has partnered with Lysol for enhanced cleaning to deliver a higher standard of cleaning and disinfection. All rooms are cleaned, disinfected, and sealed. High-touch areas like light switches, handles and knobs, telephones, clocks, and remotes, climate control panels, major bathroom surfaces, hard surfaces, and closet goods and bathroom amenities are cleaned and disinfected. Bed and bedding and in-room food and beverage areas are also disinfected and cleaned. When you visit another city, expect the same. social distancing, masks, and enhanced cleaning and disinfecting. What about car rental companies? Expect to see enhanced cleaning and disinfecting. All cars are deep cleaned and sanitized before they leave the lot. Utilizing the Launchpad technology, car rental places implemented low-touch or no-touch when doing transactions while following social distancing and CDC guidelines and recommendations. Here, Enterprise introduced their new curbside service with a Show Your Pass and Go rental option. With a global complete clean pledge, Enterprise Holdings is letting the world know that when you're ready, they're ready. Cruise lines are sailing with reduced capacity to make social distancing easier. The crew undergo thorough training, and most cruise ships will have an onboard health and safety officer. You'll find hand sanitizing stations everywhere, and guests must wash their hands before they enter the restaurants. All public areas are cleaned every 4 hours. Cabins are thoroughly disinfected before check-in. All public areas like pools, jacuzzis, and fitness areas have reduced capacity. Before you embark the ship, you are required to answer a health questionnaire, sanitize your hand, and take a touch-free temperature check. Find touch-free water stations on every floor. Buffets will have servers or are completely replaced with individual servings. There is reduced capacity in the dining rooms to make social distancing easier. Tables are sanitized after each sitting, and kitchens are frequently cleaned and sanitized. Menus are available using QR codes with physical menus disinfected after each sitting. Touch-free payment stations are available to use in all restaurants, shops, and bars, avoiding cash to promote a safer environment. Health and safety protocols will continue to evolve in the weeks and months to come as ships and resorts welcome you back. Health and safety continue to be one of the biggest concerns of travelers. The travel industry is working hard to make sure that you and your family are safe when you go on vacation and start traveling again. You may not be ready to travel now, but when you are, make sure to contact your travel advisor.